day, sir. I'm March Peter Habonillo from BSIT Block 3L. For today's video is I'm gonna answer and explain the assessment. And I go. How can you define a simple route in Laravel, and what would be a real-life example? Simple route. A simple route in Laravel maps a specific URL endpoint to some action in your app. For example, showing a welcome message or landing a visitor on home page. Think that it as telling Laravel. When someone visits slash welcome, show them this. In real life analogy, imagine assigning your assistant if a visitor rings the front doorbell. Greet them with hello. You're simply mapping a trigger visitor's rings to a response greeting. Number 2. How do name routes work in Laravel, and how might you use them in a real-world application? Name routes let you assign a unique identifier to a URL endpoint, making it easier to um, refer to it later without hard coding the actual path. Practical use case say you have a URL where users to go view their profile. Instead of referring to it by /user/profile throughout your app, you give it a name like profile. Then if you ever need to link to it or redirect there, you just use profile, and if the path changes later, you only update it in one place. Number 3. What is the purpose of route groups in Laravel, and how might they be used? Route groups let you bundle together multiple routes that share common characteristics such as URL prefixes, naming conventions, or required checks, so you don't have to repeat yourself. In real-world analogy, uh, imagine you have several VIP-only pages like /admin/dashboard admin/settings and /admin/users. Rather than individually specifying must show VIP badge for each, you group them under VIP routes and say all routes under /admin under require VIP status. This keeps things dry and more maintainable. Number 4. What does middleware work in Laravel, and can you provide a practical example? Middleware are filters that run before the main action of a route. They check things like whether the user is logged in, if a request is safe, etc. In practical terms, before someone can view their account page, you might first check if they are authenticated. If not, you redirect them to login. Or you might log request, block spam, or limit access based on role. When group and middleware applies to all routes in that group, super efficient. Number 5. How can you handle form submissions and CSRF protection in Laravel? CSRF, cross-site request forgery, is a security measure that ensures forms are submitted from your own application and not some malicious external page. How it works in real-world use. Um, Whenever a user submits form, like when they enter a comment or profile info, Laravel requires a hidden security token CSRF token. If that token isn't present, or valid, Laravel rejects the request, preventing unsafe requests from mismatch or external sources. And that's it, sir, and thank you.